Hello everyone, welcome to another video. If you are looking for good laptop for AutoCAD or SolidWorks, then you are in the right place. In this video, I will show you 5 best laptops for AutoCAD and SolidWorks, 2 of the most popular software for 3D modeling, simulation and design. Choosing the right laptop can significantly impact your productivity and workflow. So, let's dive into the details. Before going to start our video, links are given in the description and you can buy your laptop. Let's get started now. First on our list is the Razer Blade 17 Pro. If you're an engineer or a designer, you know how important it is to have a laptop that can keep up with the demands of programs like AutoCAD and SolidWorks. Introducing the Razer Blade Pro 17. With an Intel Core i7-10875H8 core processor, the Razer Blade Pro 17 is designed to handle even the most complex projects with ease. And with an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2080 Super graphics card, you can enjoy a smooth and seamless 3D modeling experience, with realistic and high-quality graphics. The 17.3-inch 4K 120Hz display provides crystal-clear visuals, making it easy to see even the smallest details in your designs. With 16 GB of RAM and a 1TB SSD, you won't have to worry about lag or slow loading times, allowing you to work efficiently and effectively. The Razer Blade Pro's 17th CNC machined aluminum chassis ensures that your laptop is durable and can withstand the rigors of daily use, while maintaining its sleek and modern design. The Chroma RGB keyboard is not only aesthetically pleasing, but it also allows you to work in any environment, with customizable backlighting for each individual key. With Thunderbolt 3 and an SD card reader, transferring and accessing files has never been easier or faster. The Razer Blade Pro 17 is also creator-ready, meaning it has been tested and approved by professionals in the industry, ensuring it meets the highest standards for quality and performance. If you're looking for a laptop that can handle the demands of AutoCAD and SolidWorks, look no further than the Razer Blade Pro 17. Get yours today. On number 2, we have Acer Predator Triton 500 SE, one of the best laptops for AutoCAD and SolidWorks. The Triton 500 SE is powered by a 12th Gen Intel i9-12900H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3080 graphics card, making it one of the most powerful laptops on the market. It also has a 16-inch WQXGA 240Hz GSYNC display, which is perfect for viewing your 3D models in stunning detail. But the Triton 500 SE isn't just about power. It also has a sleek and stylish design that's perfect for professionals on the go. It's slim and lightweight, so you can take it with you wherever you need to go. Other features include 32 GB of LPDDR5 RAM, a 1TB Gen 4x4 SSD for lightning-fast storage, and killer Wi-Fi 6E for reliable internet connectivity. All of these features combine to make the Triton 500 SE one of the best laptops for AutoCAD and SolidWorks. So, if you're a creative professional looking for a laptop that can handle your demanding workload, the Acer Predator Triton 500 SE is definitely worth considering. On number 3, we have Asus ProArt Studiobook 16 OLED laptop, which we also think is the best laptop for AutoCAD and SolidWorks. The ProArt Studiobook 16 OLED has a 16-inch 3840 by 2400 OLED display, which is perfect for viewing your 3D models in stunning detail. It's powered by an Intel Core i7-12700H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 graphics card, making it a powerful machine that can handle even the most demanding CAD and 3D modeling software. The ProArt Studiobook 16 OLED has a sleek and stylish design that's perfect for professionals on the go. It's slim and lightweight, so you can take it with you wherever you need to go. Other features include 16 GB of RAM, a 1TB plus 1TB M.2 NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD for lightning-fast storage, and it comes with Windows 11 Home pre-installed. All of these features combine to make the ProArt Studiobook 16 OLED the perfect laptop for AutoCAD and SolidWorks. So, if you're a creative professional looking for a laptop that can handle your demanding workload, we highly recommend the Asus ProArt Studiobook. Alienware M15R7 laptop, which is on number 4 in the list. The Alienware M15R7 boasts a QHD 2560 by 1440, 240Hz display, which is perfect for viewing your 3D models in crystal clear detail. It's powered by an AMD Ryzen 9 6900HX processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 3070 Ti graphics card, making it a powerful machine that can handle even the most heavy work for CAD and 3D modeling software. The Alienware M15R7 has a sleek and stylish design that's perfect for professionals on the go. It's slim and lightweight, so you can take it with you wherever you need to go. Other features include 32GB of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB SSD for lightning-fast storage, and it comes with Windows 11 pre-installed. The laptop also includes an HDMI port, Wi-Fi, a webcam, and a variety of other connectivity options, making it easy to stay connected wherever you are. So this laptop is also a good option for AutoCAD and SolidWorks lovers. Alright guys. Number 5 we have MSI Stealth 17 Studio Laptop, which can also be considered as the best option for AutoCAD and SolidWorks lovers. The MSI Stealth 17 Studio boasts a QHD 240Hz display, which is perfect for viewing your 3D models in crystal clear detail. It's powered by an Intel Core i9-13900H processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 graphics card, making it a powerful machine that can handle even the most demanding CAD and 3D modeling software. The MSI Stealth 17 Studio has a sleek and stylish design that's perfect for professionals on the go. It's slim and lightweight, so you can take it with you wherever you need to go. Other features include 32GB of DDR5 RAM, a 1TB NVMe SSD for lightning-fast storage, and it includes Thunderbolt 4 and USB Type-C ports for convenient connectivity. The laptop also includes Cooler Boost Trinity Plus cooling technology to ensure that the laptop runs smoothly and efficiently, even during long work sessions. So this is the best choice for your next work. That's it guys. All of these laptops are powerful machines that can handle even the most demanding CAD and 3D modeling software. Each one has its own unique features and advantages, so it's important to consider your specific needs and preferences when choosing the right laptop for you. Links are given in the description. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video. Goodbye.